Unplug the washer from the wall outlet. Turn off the water supply to the washer. Unlock the control panel. Pull the top of the control panel away from the control cabinet far enough to allow lifting the control panel up and off the rail support of the control cabinet. Remove the control panel away from the control cabinet as far as the wires permit. Remove the two screws holding the front of the cabinet top to the top front edge of the control cabinet front. Remove the two screws holding the bottom flange of the control cabinet to the top flange of the front panel. Lift the cabinet top to a vertical position. To avoid damage to the hinges, support the top with a chain or something similar. Remove the meter case service door. Remove the two screws from inside the bottom of the meter case. If present, remove the security bolt inside the control panel. Remove the two control panel attaching screws holding the control panel to the control hood. Lay the assembly forward on protective padding on the cabinet top. Remove the security bolt from the left rear corner of the cabinet top. Reattach the two screws holding the control panel to the control hood. Open the loading door. Carefully remove the wire clamp ring from the groove in the door seal using a small flat blade screwdriver. To avoid damaging the spring, located in the 6 o'clock position, use the screwdriver on the wire clamp ring to the left or right of the spring. Grasp the lip of the door seal. To avoid damaging the seal, do not use pliers or sharp objects to grasp the door seal lip. Using a circular motion, pull the lip seal up, out, and down. When the seal releases from the lip of the front panel, pull out and remove the seal from the rest of the front panel. While supporting the front lower access panel, remove the two screws from the bottom edge of the lower access panel. Gently lower the access panel to disengage the panel locators from the bottom edge of the front panel. Remove the bottom two front panel corner screws. Using the special tool, number 318P4, remove the dispenser drawer. Remove the front panel away from the washer as far as the wires permit. Unplug the wire harness from the door latch switch. Remove the clips holding the wire harness and the door seal hose along the top flange of the front panel. Remove the front panel. Remove the two screws holding the front of the cabinet top to the front flange of the side panels. Lift the cabinet top to a vertical position. To avoid damage to the hinges, support the top with a chain or something similar. Loosen the hose clamp and remove the dispenser valve-to-door seal hose connection at the dispenser. Remove the wire tie attaching the hose to the dispenser plate. Loosen the large clamp holding the door seal to the front of the outer tub. Carefully pull the seal off the front lip of the outer tub front panel and remove the door seal and hose assembly. Place the door seal onto the front lip of the outer tub front panel. Replace the large clamp holding the door seal to the outer tub. Reinstall the dispenser valve to door seal hose to the dispenser. Be sure to reinstall a new hose tie attaching the door seal hose to the dispenser plate. Remove the chain. Lower the cabinet top. Replace the 2 screws holding the cabinet top to the front flange of the side panels. If removed earlier, replace the security bolt in the left rear corner of the cabinet top. Remove the 2 control panel attaching screws holding the control panel to the control hood. Lay the assembly forward on protective padding on the cabinet top. Reattach the 2 screws holding the control panel to the control hood. Place the front panel into position near the washer. Reconnect the wire harness to the door latch switch. Refer to the wiring diagram when reconnecting the door lock wires. Place the door seal hose and wire harness in the appropriate clips and holes along the top flange of the front panel. The large wire clip holds both the wire harness and the door seal hose. Reattach the front panel with the 2 bottom corner screws. Replace the lower access panel by inserting the panel locators into the bottom edge of the front panel. Replace the 2 screws in the bottom of the access panel. Replace the door seal around the edge of the door opening on the front panel. Door seal installation can be improved by using a water or soap solution to work the seal around the circumference of the loading door opening. Replace the wire clamp ring in the groove of the door seal and attach the spring in the 6 o'clock position. It may be easier to install the wire clamp ring and spring when they are attached before being placed into the door seal. Close the loading door. Remove the chain. Lower the cabinet top. Replace the 2 screws holding the bottom flange of the control cabinet to the top flange of the front panel. Replace the 2 screws holding the front of the cabinet top to the top edge of the control cabinet front. Replace the lock and control panel. Replace the dispenser drawer. Plug the power cord into an outlet. Turn on the water supply to the washer. Run the washer through a complete cycle to make sure it is operating properly.